Hey there, Gary with Go Renovations. Coming at you from one of my clients' houses that was a fairly recent renovation that I did. Finished it up the end of last year, and it just has the trim work and some things that the client is slowly getting into place. But it's got an issue with some cracked tile in the bathroom, so I'm going to take a look at it and see what we can do to get it fixed. You can see right there. It's got the cracked issue. This right here in action, that's the Hupar ZK0. Oh, sorry, the ZK40 CG. A little tongue tied there. As you can see, it's got the two vertical lines going, which is great for tile work. It shows you exactly where to lay the tile out. Here with the remote, I can just press the horizontal button, and it'll shoot off different horizontal. It's got two of them, so like I said, all those lines, that's phenomenal for tile work. This was already laid, so I'm just doing the repair of that one tile, but I just wanted to show you some of the capabilities of that device. Now, unfortunately here, the tile that I picked up was improperly manufactured to the wrong size. It was about a 1/4 inch shy of what it was supposed to be. You can see my shoulders sag a little bit in the feet here.